umabot ako ng 20 years dito sa Lasal dahil dedicated ako sa aking trabaho at higit sa lahat para sa aking pamilya at para sa Rizal University. Dito nang gagaling ang pangkabuhayan ng aking pamilya at naging dedicated ako sa pag-serve sa simbahan.
1980, after Don Bosco studies in Victorias, high school graduate, that building, the Gokongwei College of Engineering, which is known as Velasco Building, it was constructed that time. So, dumadaan ako dyan, sabi ko dyan ako magkatawa pagdating ng araw. So, nag-apply ko 1988 sa Lasal through the College of Liberal Arts with Dr. Tesh Bautista. Pero hindi ako natanggap. By 1989, I was in Benedictine Abbey School. Yung mga student ko, nag-apply dito, natanggap sila sa college because I was processing their documents. Nadala ko ulit yung application sa engineering. Interview ako ng Dr. Olanyo, hindi pa siya doctor naman. Tanggap ako. So, second attempt, sabi ko, I will work in that building na fulfill sa College of Engineering.
Wow.
So that was the history. Kaya ako nag-stay kasi I'm also a graduate of La Salle Bacolod. So I said to myself, nagseminaryo ako sa CICM, Talisay, sina Brother Bong. Namimit ko pa yan sa inter-community activities. So I'm happy na kahit papano, ang espiritu ko pag sa abroad, nasa La Salle, kaya bumabalik ako. May chance na ako, ang dami ko ng chances to stay sa US, sa UK, Australia, may offer ako ng job, hospital. So I still love to serve the missions in Lasal. Ako ay last promotion ko 2009. To the present, wala akong promotion. But I'm happy. Hindi naman puro pera ang iniisip. It's the work that you are doing. No? So, nalampasan ako ng marami. Sige lang. Hindi naman ang pera inabot ko. Yung happiness nito. Yung fulfilling the mission na makapag-share ka ng time. Kaya, yun, happiness is made like this.
Nag-stay ako dito ng 31 years dito sa Lasal dahil happy ako. Dahil dito, ito na ang pangalawang tahanan ko. Dahil itong Lasal, hindi kami itinuturing na ibang tao. Dahil maganda ang pakita sa amin. Feeling ko, kasama kami sa misyon ni Saint Lasal.
Misteryo din yan sa akin. What made me stay that long. But I guess, the basic and compelling reason why I stay is the love for the teaching ministry. The love for the teaching ministry wherein you have the opportunity of teaching mind, touching the hearts, as well as help shape the lives of our students. Yun, I think that summarizes the reason why I stayed in Lasal for 37 years and still intend to continue until I am able to teach. Now, other than that, of course, the environment, the camaraderie, the unity, the love, in the department is also one of the main reasons why I stayed, because that made the work not only challenging but moreover pleasant and enjoyable. So, more or less, ganun.
Kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko,